Hey guys, it's Breks from Breks SFX, and here we have a simple knuckle wound for you guys. So this is my first time ever filming one of my wounds on camera, so bear with me. It is harder than it looks. So here you just want to grab your wax and put it on. You don't want to use too much because you don't want lots and lots of height on it. And right here I'm grabbing some vegetable oil and just put a little bit of that on your fingers. And just smear that around town, like just smear it all over it. And make sure it is really smooth. You want it to blend. So just smooth that baby out for a little bit. Make sure to grab a little bit more and douse the whole area that you are doing it in with it. So just that little bit of shine will give you it, and it'll dry up while you're doing the wound anyways. So, okay. Okay, now grab one of your, I'll call them spatulas. I know that's not the right name for them. Someone corrects me, but some spatulas, I'll call them, and smooth it out still. Smooth it a good amount. You'll use that spatula in a minute. And so grab your spatula, your SFX spatula, and go right across where your knuckle bends, because it'll give it a cool effect when you are done. Open it up a little bit just to give it that like opening vibe, like if you cut it with like glass or something. And so just go over that a few times, smear the edges down, because when you do cut, it will come out a little bit with it. So just maybe just put a little bit of that stuff on your hands, the oil, just smear that. Now, you guys just saw, grab a little bit of your blood. I like to go in with a little paintbrush and go around the edges. It'll just get it ready for you for a minute. And just go around there for a little bit, just until it looks good to your satisfaction of how bloody or not bloody you want it. And grab your spatula again, your SFX spatula, and put blood on that. Put it in the hole and smear it. Just smear it as much as you want. Have your, in this case, family member or friend or anything that you're doing it on, or if you're doing it on yourself, just have them or yourself bend their finger a little bit just to get that blood worked in there a little bit. And just go in with your spatula and just smooth it out inside there. Just do this for a little while. Make sure the wax is still down enough, like I'm doing right now. Bend the finger just to, like what I'm doing right now. I'm just smoothing it out with the finger bending. That will just give it a good vibe not vibe, but it'll make it look better than it already is. Grab your bruise kit or any kind of bruising or some black kind of makeup or something like that. You can go on to Amazon and get, if you look up bruise kit, you can get that pretty easily for like $5. So go in with your black, smear that out for a little bit, and then go in with your brush and smear it and just blend it in with the finger. Grab your yellow, and I like to put 4 little dabs on each side, and then you go back in with your brush and just blend it a lot, because you don't want your people, if you're like pranking someone or anything like that, to see your edges. Once again, just make that really smooth. And there we go. You have a gross knuckle wound. So don't forget to like and subscribe.